Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. To the ones who are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Do enjoy the videos I upload. Let's jump into the video. Hey guys, this is the parcel I received. Let's check what's inside. Alright, so we have the box that was inside the brown box. So now we'll have to figure out how do we cut this one. Okay, alright. This is box, which you can see there's a blue Cloud9, and then oh, it's upside down. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see this, right? So basically this is a parcel which I received from my company Freshworks. I'm not sure whether it's an annual goodie or is it something because we completed 10 years. Yeah, but let's do this. This should be easy. All right, so this is something we could check. So let's open. Okay, so what do we have here? We do have I hope you can see it. Here's the mask. Let's check. Okay, I think that's a brand name, I'm not sure. Okay, we do have mask, right? What do we have next? We do have t-shirts. All right, so we have Freshworks t-shirt. We do have one white and one black. Okay, great. What do we have here? Oh, it's a note from Girish. If you guys are not aware, Girish is the CEO of Freshworks. Okay, nice slogan, nice. Okay, this is something I've been expecting for a long time. If you guys see it. Okay, before we go there, let's check the box. Okay, so we don't have anything else. The box looks super cool. That's something what we had. We had two masks, we had t-shirts, and then we did have that dollar wala lookalike which had a slogan from the CEO. So that's basically it for the box. This is what it is, and this is how I think we latch it. This would come handy even probably for my camera kit, I'm not sure. This is basically it. Okay, okay, so this is something, like I said before, I've been expecting it for a long time. So I mean, to give you a bit more context to it, so as a goodie, we had the employees had two options: either to go for the Apple AirPods Pro, I'm really sorry, or to go for the Garmin watch. Since I already have an AirPods Pro, I wanted to go to the Garmin one, and Garmin is actually it's a good watch device, something to monitor your health. Can be the steps that or to monitor every aspect of your health. So I mean, normally my plan was to go for the Apple Watch, basically to upgrade it, but then so this was given by this option was given by Freshworks. I thought, why not, let's give it a try. So this is basically it. I went with this color. I'm not sure whether you guys are aware of it or are you able to see it. I even forgot the color I chose, but let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys are able to see it. This is the watch. Let me try to pull it out. Okay, so we do have the watch. Let's keep it aside. Okay, it does say Bluetooth. Okay, I think it connects with the Bluetooth. It has a scanner code. Let's check it out later. What's inside? Okay, there's nothing inside here. What's inside this? Okay, can we remove this? Okay, it's a guide manual, I guess. Basically, I think it's in different languages as well. Hard to find English. Great. What do we have here? I speed yesterday. What is this? Is there something? Let's check it out later. We do have the USB cable. Okay, so this is something different. It has USB ports, but if you check the other side, it's either C or the normal E-type. It's something specific to the watch. Yes, it is something specific to the watch, so I think I have to keep this very careful. I think if I lose it, probably I'll have to invest it again. Yeah, I hope you guys were able to see it. So see, it's not a C. It has 4 pins inside, something different. 1 second. Yep. All right, coming to the watch. Great. The strap basically is rubber. I think it is replaceable. It is replaceable. There is an actual thing called a quick release, and there's actually a notch here in the belt. I don't know whether you're able to see it. I'm not sure what do we do with that. I'll have a check and I'll let you guys later. So this basically is the watch. Okay, this is basically is the cover. So whatever you see here is not the actual one. It's just a sticker. And how do we turn it on? Okay, it does come up. Did something come up? Actually not sure what it is. Okay, as you guys can see, there's this triangle there. Okay, all right. So no. English. Pair with the phone. Yes. We do pair with the phone. Let's check it out. download Garmin Connect mobile app to get started. Okay, let me download this. Alright guys, so this basically it is. The watch, I think it's to them. I'll probably work on it, play around with it, and see how to increase the brightness or how to play around with it. This is basically it. So this is what I was expecting from the parcel. So again, got 2 masks, 2 t-shirts and 1 watch. Hope you guys liked it. Until next time, thank you.